Our Fit Food Fast continues here on A Cup of Joe. Our fitness chef Charlene Procope is joining us, and she has done something this morning. Looks like a bread biscuit-like thing.
It's pone.
Pone?
Yeah, healthy pone, Joel. I'm excited.
This is pumpkin.
Yes. Thanks, Morella.
Marilla combined on this recipe with you?
She assisted me this morning.
Very well, very well. Yeah.
So, Joel, you know, Trini pone, you know, every cassava, it's actually a healthy dish.
Yeah.
But I'm going to make it a little healthier.
Yeah.
Right?
But pone is a heavy thing, though.
It's heavy.
My father-in-law made a real boss one that I could have eaten a couple slices easy.
He used to help him make it?
No.
Joel, pone is real worker.
It's real work.
What?
Yeah, he was a patient.
All the grating?
Yeah.
Negative.
But also, how is this healthier than what the original pone?
Well, let me say, I just substitute the cassava for oatmeal.
Okay.
Right. So, you know, I like to make my stuff with oatmeal. Cassava is a little more heavier. Right. Oatmeal, you could have it as a breakfast snack. You could have it during the day. So
that will make it lighter already.
It will make it lighter, of course. Yeah. It wouldn't be as heavy, and it wouldn't be as gooey as the regular Trini pone.
I like the gooiness, though.
I mean, we'll get, of course, with the pumpkin, you might get a little thing, but not as much as the cassava would, you know?
It's a healthy pone this morning. Let's get cracking.
Right, so I have all my dry ingredients. I'm going to use chocolate chip and some slivered almonds for the top for a little texture.
Right.
You got the wet ingredients, so you're going to add the pumpkin, milk, some vanilla essence, and some coconut oil to this bowl.
So this is just pure pumpkin?
Yeah, pure pumpkin. Boil it, add some cinnamon, and mash it up with a potato masher, and that's it. So you don't need to buy pureed pumpkin in the tin.
Okay, and I'm adding the milk to this?
Yes, you're adding the milk.
I'm seeing an egg floating around here as well.
Yeah, that's an egg. We're going to add one egg. So while you're doing that, I'm going to add...
I'm adding all the milk, right?
Yeah.
I asked you after I add all.
Yeah, well, that's fine. I'm going to grate some nutmeg into my oatmeal.
All right. Dash of vanilla essence?
Yes. What, a teaspoon?
That is a perfect teaspoon you get there, Charlie.
I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper, some cinnamon. I'm going to add some baking powder.
You're watching my heart, I feel like you're
I'm making sure you're doing the right thing.
How much oil?
About 2 tablespoons.
1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons.
All right. We're going to add some coconut flakes. Now, obviously, you could use your grate your coconut and go through the work.
But you know, this is fit food fast.
This is fit food fast. Right, so this mixture, I'm going to add some golden raisins, some black raisin, and some cranberries.
Wow, okay.
This is going to be your sweetener.
Right.
And basically, Joel, you just mix it up. You know what? I'm going to use my hand. Right. Yeah. Mix all this up together. And we're going to add this to a wet mixture.
We'll be adding this, right? Okay, got you.
Mix it. You mix.
Mix.
I want to make sure it have enough. Work those arms, Joel. Right. Mix it up. We're going to add some more. Smell the nutmeg?
Yeah, it smells good.
No.
It smells good.
I'm going to take this home today.
You're not leaving any for me, Charlie?
No.
You know, this is the texture you're looking for because
it's thick.
It's thick, yeah.
That's fine. We're going to add some more coconut oil. Right, we can
How am I
add
looking
some more
here?
coconut oil. Looking nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My hands hurt. You take it from here now.
Use your left hand. You need to balance it out, okay? So use your left hand now and mix. Thank you.
What about the egg, Charlene?
Oh, yeah, the egg. That's what. Right. Add the egg.
This crazy recipe you can get on trindycooks.com and we give you all the correct steps. All the correct steps. Right. But the egg will also bind it as well and lubricate it. Yes, this looks like it now, Charlene.
All right, and we're going to add it to the baking tray and make sure to flatten it down. Use your left hand, and you know we want to balance all the weights, right? Yeah. This
is a workout as well.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that.
It should be flour to knead, Joel. It's harder.
Right.
Right. That good.
That looks good. Smells fantastic, though, Charlene. Yeah. So lay it out here now.
Yeah, lay it out in the tray. Make sure to flatten it down.
Oh.
This could freeze up to 3 months as well.
In the deep freeze?
Yep.
And it'll be good to bake after?
Good to bake, or you could freeze it after it's baked.
So what are you looking here?
You just flatten it on.
Right out. You want flat.
Then we're going to top it with some chocolate chips and some almonds. Because we need the sweetness. like me.
Brown sweetness.
Oh, okay, that's good.
All right. So it's a kind of
And basically
rugged,
that's it.
kind of, yeah.
So now you don't add chocolate chip to pone, but obviously,
Yeah.
you know, mix it up a little bit.
How long is
And
this
that
baking
is
for?
it. 30 minutes, 350 degrees. Cuts it in bars when it cool, and basically that's it.
A healthy pone, you said.
Yep.
A healthy
No
pone.
cassava.
You and Marilla feel very proud about this.
Oatmeal.
Yeah.
I know,
Very,
I
very
feel
proud.
so happy.
Very proud. Ooh, it's nice when you're feeling it's soft and nice.
I might marry your wife. Just kidding.
Yeah. It really just have the texture
Tasty nutmeg, tasty cinnamon,
of,
everything.
and the pone
and
texture.
no sugar.
No sugar in this?
No sugar.
Wow.
We tasting good boy.
This is good.
Yeah. I didn't taste it after I bake it, you know.
You could cook, yo.
I know. He lucky.
That fella choose right. The ring still up?
Uh-huh.
The ring. Charlene Procope, she joins us every Tuesday morning here for Fit Food Fast, and she has dished up a simple little dish called
A healthy pone.
healthy fit pone.
Yeah.
Try it, please. TriniCooks.com. Just good ways that you can have some of our favorites that we're accustomed to with a healthy twist. Thank you very much, Charlene.